How to increase touch sensitivity on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're in the Settings page, scroll down, find and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provide equal opportunities for everyone. Scroll down to find Touch under the Physical and Motor section and tap on it. Here, tap on Haptic Touch. You can choose the touch duration from fast, default, or slow. Now, go back and tap on Touch Accommodations. You can now adjust the hold duration, which is the time you must touch the screen before a touch is recognized. Below that, you can adjust Ignore Repeat, which treats multiple rapid touches as a single touch. Following these steps, you can easily adjust and change touch settings on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.